Let's cook Bigi Mama Mackerel Jollof with a McBrown Jollof Rice. You can pause the video for the ingredients. Make sure to use Bigi Mama Tomato Paste for the best result. Let's get cooking. Cut your fresh onions. Cut your fresh ginger. Chop your tomatoes, bell peppers, and your carrots. In a blender, put in all your onions, ginger, and some garlic, rosemary, and cooking oil. Blend and set aside. Put in the chopped fresh tomatoes in the blender and blend. In the pot, add some cooking oil. Put the blended ingredients in and stir.
You can show the camera.
Add the Bigi Mama tomato paste and stir well. Add the Bigi Mama Nigerian hot pepper powder and stir. Put in the blended tomatoes and continue to stir. Cover and wait. Add the Bigi Mama curry seasoning. Add the Bigi Mama shrimp seasoning and mix well. Prepare the Endlesslove Mackerel. Add stock seasoning into the pot. Put in the mackerels. We add our McBrown Jollof Rice and mix well. Add enough water. Cover and cook until the rice is ready. Once ready, flop the rice. When the rice is almost ready, you add your carrots, bell peppers. Mix and leave for 5 minutes.
I think it should be okay now.
Serve and enjoy.
Yeah, I bet.